Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make gummy bears that are frozen, easy method. Start by choosing a fruit juice and measuring gelatin to package directions. Warm the juice gently and whisk in gelatin until fully dissolved. Add a sweetener if desired and stir well. Pour into silicone bear molds and chill in the fridge until set. Transfer molded bears to the freezer for firmer texture before serving. For a reliable batch, use 1 cup of fruit juice and about 3 tablespoons of gelatin, adjusted per package directions. Silicone molds are ideal for easy removal and consistent shapes when frozen. If you like bolder flavor, stir in a teaspoon of citrus zest or a tablespoon of puree before setting. Keep a small funnel or dropper handy to fill tiny molds without spills. Always cool fully before freezing for best texture. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated while you prep gummy bears and looks great on the counter. I've linked it and other deals in the description so you can check them out easily. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Warm your juice gently until it simmers but does not boil, then whisk in gelatin until completely dissolved to avoid grittiness. Use a small funnel or dropper to fill each cavity slowly and reduce air bubbles. Let the molds set in the refrigerator until firm, typically 30 minutes, then transfer to the freezer for 2 to 3 hours for a firmer, chewier gummy. Pop bears carefully from molds and store in an airtight container while frozen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.